So let's talk about the proper spray techniques with these pepper gel products. So again, when you're holding the can from the bottom and you're using your thumb to deploy, we recommend an ear-to-ear deployment across the face of the attacker with this larger can. The smaller one, it's going to be more across the eyes of the intruder. If you miss with the first shot, go back the opposite way until that ocular area is contacted. You will be able to see with this product because the natural pigment of SABRE red, which is that darker orangish red color you can see on the skin of the intruder, which lets you know if that second shot is necessary.
And at SABRE, we say spray and away. So once you've sprayed your attacker and have incapacitated them, the next step is get to safety. You want to get your family to safety if you can, and then call for help if needed.
And speaking of safety, distance is always your friend. Even the smaller, more compact can has a distance of up to 17 feet. The larger size can has a very impressive 25-foot range. Again, it's the larger size of this canister and the gel type delivery system that give you that extra safety.